Hey guys, welcome to the Easy Start Tutoring's YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one and share the video with your friends. Today's video is basically an introduction to the human endocrine system. We're going to start off by the main difference between the endocrine glands and the exocrine glands. Endocrine glands secrete chemical substances directly into the blood, and an example of these glands is the pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis. Exocrine glands secrete chemical substances into ducts, which then transport these chemicals to target organs where they act. An example of these glands is the pancreas. There are certain glands that can serve as both endocrine or exocrine. An example of these glands is the pancreas. The pancreas serves as an endocrine gland when it secretes hormones, insulin and glucagon directly into the bloodstream, and acts as an exocrine gland when it secretes pancreatic juice into the pancreatic ducts. The functionality of the endocrine system is conveyed by hormones. If you're wondering what hormones are chemical messengers which are protein in nature, thus they are like enzymes. They're directly secreted into the bloodstream and their effect works on specific organs, which we call target organs. In addition to that, the effects of a hormone has a shorter lifespan. Now we'll look at the different types of glands of the endocrine system. The following table summarizes different types of glands, hormones secreted, and their functions. The first type of gland is the hypothalamus, which secretes the hormone ADH. ADH functions in osmoregulation, which is simply the regulation of water in the body. The second type of gland is the pituitary gland or the hypophysis. The pituitary gland secretes hormones, growth hormone, thyroid-stimulating hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and prolactin. Growth hormone is also known as the somatropin, and it functions in the human growth. Thyroid-stimulating hormones controls the secretion of thyroxine, follicle-stimulating hormone controls the development of follicles, and the luteinizing hormone stimulates the growth of the corpus luteum, and prolactin stimulates the mammary glands to produce milk. Next gland is the thyroid gland, which produces thyroxine. Thyroxine controls cellular metabolisms and also controls the growth and functioning of the heart. Another type of gland is the pancreas. The pancreas produces hormones insulin and glucagon, which regulates the amount of glucose in the blood. Insulin decreases blood glucose levels, while glucagon increases it. The next gland is the ovary, and is only found in females. Ovaries produces hormones estrogen and progesterone. These two hormones work together in the development of female secondary characteristics during puberty. Estrogen prepares the body for pregnancy, while progesterone maintains the pregnancy. Another gland is the testis, which produces testosterone. This hormone is important for the development of male secondary characteristics during puberty and also the production of sperms. The last type of gland we're going to talk about is the adrenal gland. This gland secretes hormones aldosterone and adrenaline. Aldosterone regulates the amount of salt in the blood, while adrenaline prepares the body to act fast during emergency situations, which is also known as the fight or flight response. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and sharing the video with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be a continuation of the endocrine system and negative feedback control. For more information on how to get lessons or tutoring, please view the video description below.